And yes, guys, I got Team Dino Bone Shaker. This is also a new one. There's also a Team Shark Gangster, or a Team Dino Gangster. I think it's Team Shark, but here's a Bone Shaker in hand right here. Team Dino. Pretty cool. New for 2025. Same back, of course. Name, Bone Shaker, Truck Type, Hot Rod, Strength, Skull Grinding Grill, Crash Attack, Skull Smackdown. Same quotes as always. And that's the Bone Shaker quotes. Okay, guys, hold on. Alright, ooh, okay. Here it is, guys. I love it. Like, the black and orange looks so cool. So there it is, a Bone Shaker and red roll cage, yellow chassis, yellow rims and beadlocks, the lava on the tires. The claw marks on the tires, which is cool, the claws. There's a chrome skull. Of course, the basic skull on top. Hot Wheels on this side, guys. Hot Wheels logo. No taillight printing. They should start doing that. It's still cool, though. So this is a new one, guys, if you don't have it. Like, subscribe, comment, share, more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.